is Yong. From today I'm going to show you digital video editing in Adobe Premiere Pro. Adobe Premiere Pro is a powerful video and also audio editing application that you install on your computer. Then you can use it to mix different material into the timeline in Premiere Pro. Then you can export them as a movie file. The way this is called a non-linear and non-destructive processing. In Premiere Pro, you play all material into the timeline just like you play the puzzle. The puzzle, the table in here, like the timeline. In here, you put different pieces or the puzzle together in the table in here. And the way you do that, the material, that can be the video clip, the song, the music, the photo, the title, all kind of material put on the timeline and use the different tools, the panel, or in Premiere Pro, then you can export them. Yeah, at the beginning you can play a small puzzle, a small video, and from time to time you can make a big puzzle, a big movie. That can be, yeah. In here I show you how we use the panel, the tool in Premiere Pro to make the puzzle, put the puzzle together on the timeline, the different material in here. And before we open up the Premiere Pro, let me show you some of my project, how I organize my file and how I do the editing in Premiere Pro. So in here, yeah. And let me open up the Explorer in here. In here, this is my window, this is my operation system and the application that I install in here, and this is my internal hard disk, and this the partition come with the computer that my system install in here, the backup in here, and this two partition is a single hard disk in my computer. And this one, this is my working external hard disk that I put it in here and connect to my computer on here. And let me open up this one. This is my working external hard disk, and in here I have two projects in here. And the first one, this in Chinese. This is the 2020 Montreal Chinese Festival Gala, and this is my camera stabilized cam. This is my product. And in here for this one, for this festival, in here I organize my file, my project file, my source, and the export file in here, the folder and the file in here. And first, this the project file, the Premiere Pro project. All the editing have been stored inside in this file in here. The file size is not big in here. And this the export, the final video that I export from my timeline. And the source from here, the camera 1 AAA in here. This the clip for the performance show. And the second camera that I have in here, this the clip in here. And also for the final, and the organizer asked me to do the DVD also, I export the file as the standard definition for the show 1.5 hours, and the menu in here. So I put them together and made the DVD in Adobe Encore to export them as the image file, so they can use this image file to burn DVD disc in here. And let me show you the final first. And I export it as a Full HD and 4K and also 2.7K in here, the different size on the show in here. And let me show you the Full HD. This is the final in here. In here, at the beginning, this is the title in Chinese and in French in here, and this is the location, and this is the organization in here, and the beginning in here. And yeah, from here the show is going on, the playing, dancing, singing, like this, and going out in here. The show finished in here like this, and this is the final. I take the video, use two camera in front of me, and one camera the whole stage on the show, and another camera just for close-up, for zooming, following, for the action follow. And in between them I can select, I line up the two camera after on the Premiere Pro and select the clip, and so I can make the video and put the title and do some color correction or something, then I can export the clip in here. And let me show you the second project in here. The project is the camera stabilized cam. This is my product. This is my product in here. In here I have my project file. This is the Premiere Pro project, and all the editing stored in this file. And in here I have my clip. This is the source clip. I do the demonstration how to use my product, so I do filming myself on outside in the riverside in Montreal in here, and I show you how to use my product, and this is the way we did it in here, and use the photo, the graphic, and put together in here and export my file. Export that as the two files. One is a full HD, another one is 4K in here. And in here, let me show you this the final. This the demonstration to how I use my product in here. So, and I put together the photo, the title in here, and demonstration how I use it in here. So we going to use it in here like this, the demonstration. And in here, this the video that I put get picture in picture on here, and this the video from my cell phone in here. So how smooth the camera cam stabilize can be used in here. So like this. And also in here I put a picture how to balance the tension for the position in here like this. The picture like this in here. Thanks for watching, and finish in here like this. This is the video that I make it. And also I have a sunset clip that can be demonstrate how good about the choose to use, how smooth the video can be, and moving, panning like this in here. So this the photo title that I put here, and I have the background music on here also. You can hear that a little bit more. And put the background music and the clip. Yeah. Yeah. Then come to here. That's the photos, and the title come up and moving on the center. Like this, the title, the photo in PNG, yeah, and the explanation, the tool that I use in here, and the credit for the band song music, Better Days in here, and finish in here like this. And this the video that I make it all in Premiere Pro, yeah.